TechnoIllustrator. Straightening photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Choose an image. Double-click on a photo to access its modified settings. Select Fine Tune. Choose Straighten Photo. Adjust to your liking. You will see your picture warp as well. Step 4. Save your file. To save, click on Close File. This will automatically save the changes you have made before closing the image.